You know, when it comes to weight loss, there's this overwhelming sea of information out there. Everyone has their own opinion, their own method, and it can feel like you're drowning in a pool of confusion. But let's strip it down to the basics. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. What you need is a commitment to yourself and a few effective exercises that can fit into your busy life. So, let's talk about 15 fast and effective weight loss exercises that anyone can do, regardless of their fitness level. First up, we have jumping jacks. Simple, right? Just a few minutes of this classic move can get your heart rate up and burn calories. Then there's the ever-reliable squat. It's not just about your legs, it engages your core and can be done anywhere. Push-ups are next, and they're a powerhouse for building strength. Modify them to your level, whether it's on your knees or against a wall. Let's not forget about burpees. They might seem daunting, but they're a full-body workout that torches calories in no time. If you want something a little less intense, try walking. A brisk walk can do wonders, especially if you incorporate intervals of faster pace. Now, if you're looking for something that feels a bit more fun, dance. Put on your favorite song and just move. It's a great way to burn calories without it feeling like a chore. And speaking of fun, how about jump rope? It's not just for kids, it's a fantastic cardio workout that can be done in short bursts. Let's add in some lunges. They're great for your legs and glutes, and you can do them anywhere. And if you're looking for something that really gets your heart pumping, try mountain climbers. They're intense but incredibly effective. Don't overlook the power of planks. They might seem simple, but holding a plank engages multiple muscle groups and builds core strength. If you're looking for a little more variety, try high knees. It's a great way to get your heart rate up while working on your agility. And then there's the classic sit-up. It's tried and true for a reason. You can also incorporate some interval training, alternating between high-intensity exercises and rest periods. This method is proven to be one of the most effective ways to burn fat. Finally, let's wrap it up with some stretching. It's essential for recovery and flexibility, and it can help prevent injuries. So, there you have it. 15 exercises that are fast, effective, and accessible to everyone. It's all about finding what works for you and making it a part of your routine. Remember, every little bit counts, and the journey to weight loss is just that, a journey.